Monster Powersports is offering this 2006 Yamaha YZF R-1. To see more photos of this bike, to get pricing information, to fill out a credit app, and to see what your trade is worth, visit monsterpowersport.com. Give us a call at 847-526-0500, or you can come check this bike out in person. We are located 45 minutes north of Chicago, and our address is 315 North Rand Road in Wauconda, Illinois. This bike has been serviced and safety inspected and is ready for the road. It has the tinted windscreen, a Yoshimura exhaust, and frame sliders. Check out our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. We also do out-of-state financing. And we sell bikes all over the country.